Hey folks, Aaron from A.T.E Outdoors here. Came out to do some little backyard gold panning with some soil that I have left over from when we lived in Ohio. There's just flower gold in it. It's not really much to talk about, but it gives me something to do. But I wanted to show you, I checked on my saffron that I planted a while back, and here's a little update video for that. Quick gander. You see them sprouting up pretty good. All 25 bulbs have sprouted, and look at that. That's our first little saffron right there. All three of those. That's your spice. So I'll be plucking this, and it looks like in the next day or two, this one's gonna flower as well. And then you see there's flower bud popping up inside of there as well. So looks like I'm starting to get them. Oh, and looky here. This is the mother, and I've got 3 young popping off of it. I've got 2 young popping off of this one, 2 off of this one. Looks like 3 coming off of this one. There's a second one coming up here. Another one right there. So yeah, they're splitting as well in here. So it looks like my little tote saffron. Oh, yeah, this one's gonna be flowering soon too. I've got at least another 4 flowers. Four flowers coming up at the moment. But yeah, it looks like my little saffron hobby is going to be kicking off here soon. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and pluck that on my way back in and start drying it out. Y'all have a good one. Catch you next time.